god! I'm sure you'll feel horrified exactly like this when you wake up to find string of ants parading in your house. And just look at them. The first thought comes in my mind is ants don't pay rent. But seriously, they don't. So guys, today's tutorial is all about how to get rid of ants with this easy peasy homemade ant killer. And let me tell you, the bonus is, since it's chemical free, it's very safe to use with kids, pets and plants around. Now you're going to wonder whether it's going to work or not. So yeah, I have tested it out many times and so far so good, seems to work on contact. So what are we waiting for? Let's quickly have a look at the recipe.